Okay, so here's question 1. 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of 3. You need to multiply these indices, so you get 2 to the power of 6, which is 64. B, 25 over 64 to the power of minus a half is equal to, so minus a half, let's do the minus first, that flips it, so it's 1 over 25 over 64, so that becomes 64 over all to the power of a half, so that's 64 over 25 to the power of a half, and then the half is the square root, so that's root 64 over root 25, which is 8 over 5. Just circle these answers. C, so we've got a fractions question here, plus 2 over 3 times quarter divided by 4 over 3 minus a half. Okay, so I'm going to do the brackets as we go, so that implies plus, we can cancel that from that, we can multiply first, so it's a BODMAS question really, isn't it, order operations, then multiply, so we'll get 1 over 6 divided by, we need to make a common denominator, so times this one by 2, we get 8 over 6, and this one by 3 over 6. Okay, then simplify that, we're going to get 2 over 6 divided by 5 over 6. I could simplify this, but I'm not going to, because divide a fraction, flip it and multiply, because I can see that's going to cancel with that now, leaving a 1 and a 1, and we're going to get 2 over 5. Okay, I'm going to do the whole of section A first, I think. So 2, we want to rationalise the denominator, so we want to times the top and the bottom by root 3. That keeps the fraction the same, right, because we've done the same to the top and bottom, so that's 12 root 3 over root 3 times root 3 is 3, and then we can cancel that down, leaving a 4 and 1, so that's just 4 root 3. Circle that. Okay, and 3, so this is a substitution question, so we've got the root of u squared plus 2as, little formula you'll see from mechanics. It's a Suvat equation. So we want to work out v when u is equal to 6. So we're going to use brackets to substitute always, it's just best practice, especially when we got negatives, but just in general. 1.1. Remember, this is non-calculator. V is equal to the square root of 36. So 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. So that will give us 11 minus 11. It's actually going to be a nice number, isn't it? So that's 25 and that's 5. Okay, so there you go. That's section A.